Good day, everyone. In this lesson, we are simplifying trigonometric expressions. Now, let's begin with part A of this example. We need to rewrite this expression, that expression, and that expression. So, this expression can be written as tan squared 180 degrees minus 30 degrees. That gives us 150. Minus 1 plus sine 180 degrees plus 30 degrees. The same thing as 210. Now, on the last term, I just want us to revolve about a point. So we are moving 360 degrees. We're starting from the 0 point, we're moving around, and we come back to the 0 point. So that's the same thing as we haven't done anything. Okay, we are starting afresh at the 0 point. So we ignore those 360 degrees and we start moving 45 degrees into that quadrant to get to 405. So we consider only this angle 45 degrees. So this becomes now cos squared 45 degrees. All right. Now, on this term and that term, we shall use the cast diagram. Let me just make a quick sketch of the cast diagram. In the first quadrant, we have theta. In the second, we have 180 degrees minus theta. So 180 degrees minus theta back into the second quadrant, and we have 180 degrees plus theta. In the third quadrant, we're moving 180 degrees plus theta into the third quadrant, and then we have 360 degrees minus theta in the fourth quadrant. So we're moving 360 degrees and theta degrees back into that quadrant. Now, you know cos is positive in the fourth quadrant. All of them are positive, tan, cos, sine in the first quadrant, and sine is positive in the second, yes, and in the third it is only tan which is positive there. Now let's use the cast diagram to evaluate this expression and that expression. All right, tan squared 180 degrees minus 30, we are in the second quadrant and it is only sine which is positive there. So this gives us minus tan 30. So we have minus tan 30 degrees. But remember, this is squared. So we're just going to square that. Minus 1 plus sine 180 degrees plus 30. We are in the third quadrant. And it is only sine which is positive in that quadrant. So sine 180 plus 30 degrees is equal to minus sine 30. Minus sine 30 degrees, like that. And we just write this as it is, cos squared 45 degrees. All right. Now, at this stage, we shall use the special angles. You know, the special angles are 30, 45, and 60. All right. And tan 30 is root 3 over 3. So we have minus root 3 over 3. We square that. Minus 1, this gives us 1 over 2. Sine 30 is 1 over 2. So we have 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 on that. And cos 45 degrees is root 2 over 2. But this is squared. So we have the root of 2 over 2. And we square that. Now, let's simplify what we have. We are going to get 3 over 9 minus, we get 1 over 2 on that, and on this we get 2 over 4 if you square root 2 over 2. Let's simplify it further. You reduce this fraction, you have 1 over 3 minus, this 2 cancels with that, 1 over 4, and the result is 1 over 12. We are done with simplifying that trigonometric expression. Now let's move on to part B. Let's rewrite these expressions. Sine 360 30 degrees can be written as sine 360 degrees minus 30 degrees. And tan 210 degrees is tan 180 degrees plus 30 degrees. And according to this property, we have cos minus A is equal to cos A. Let's just use this property on that term. So we have cos 45 degrees, and we have sine 180 degrees plus 45 degrees. All right. Now, at this stage, we shall use the cast diagram. I'm going to make a quick sketch of the cast diagram. We have theta 180 degrees minus theta in the second quadrant, 180 degrees plus theta in the third quadrant, and we have 360 degrees minus theta in the fourth quadrant. Cos is positive in that quadrant. All of them are positive in the first quadrant. Sine is positive in the second, and tan is positive in the third quadrant. So let's use the cast diagram to evaluate this term, and that term. Now, our expression now becomes sine 360 minus 30. We are in this quadrant. 360 minus theta. We are in the fourth quadrant. And sine is negative in that quadrant. So we have minus sine 30 degrees. And we move on to tan. Tan 180 degrees plus 30. We are in the third quadrant. And tan is positive there. So we have tan 30 degrees. Let's divide by cos 45 degrees. And we have sine 180 plus 45. That's the third quadrant. And sine is negative in that quadrant. So we have minus sine 45 degrees. All right. Now, at this stage, we shall use the special angles, okay, to evaluate this. And you know, sine 30 degrees is 1 over 2. So we have minus 1 over 2 on that. And tan 30 is the root of 3 over 3. All right. And then we have cos 45 is root 2 over 2. That is multiplying minus sine 45. And sine 45 is minus root 2 over 2. Sine 45 is root over 2. But we have minus sine 45. So we have minus root 2 over 2. Now, let's simplify what we have. So this is going to give us minus the root of 3 over 6. That's divided by 2 over 4. It's minus 2 over 4. All right. And now we just need to simplify that. We have minus root 3 over 6. I can just say times. Remember, we have 1 over 2 on that. So we now have 2, negative by the way, divided by 1. And then we have this into that, 1 into that, we have 3. Negative times a negative, you get a positive. Therefore, the final answer is root 3 over 3. And we are done. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.